Okay. Oh, boy. Oh, jeez. Can't believe I can't drive. Go to that point. I have to get one of these. Oh.
First-class customer service. Call us today to receive a free consultation at 844-284-4864. That's 844-284-4864. Or online at LoneStarTransfer.com.
Dan Bongino.
Wow, look at these Black Friday deals on TVs. Samsung, Sony, and LG at the lowest prices of the year, even on their top-rated models. Now we can get that top-rated Samsung we were thinking about, but we'll need to get up early on Friday.
These are great deals, but why wait? Video Only has all these deals right now. We can get what we want today, and they're even offering no-interest financing.
So we can get these Black Friday deals right now at Video Only and pay it off later?
Yep, and many of their prices are better than those flyers.
Better than Black Friday? No wonder Video Only got those high scores when they rated TV stores. Let's head over now and beat the crowd.
At Video Only, you won't find huge stores with refrigerators or dishwashers, but you will find the best deals on the best TVs, soundbars, and home theater systems. Shop around, but then make sure you visit Video Only, because if you don't, you'll be sorry.
In Mountain View, San Mateo, Union City, Dublin, and San Rafael.
Video Only.
Disputes that end up in litigation can go on and on and on. So before you spend a lot of time, money, and stress for no guaranteed outcome, strongly consider mediation with attorney Denise Eaton-May. Virtually any dispute, labor, employment, will contest, real estate, landlord-tenant, to LGBT discrimination, Denise Eaton-May can stop the fight. Settle your dispute so you can move on. Litigation is costly, and the courts are backlogged. Mediation, however, is effective, immediate, involves much less risk and money. And if you're not satisfied, you can always litigate. Seriously, life's short. Call Denise Eaton-May for a mediation consultation, 510-244-3307, or visit DEMLegalEagle.com. Probate, intellectual property rights, to estate planning disputes. Mediation allows you to resolve your dispute under your own rules, not the court. Denise Eaton-May is a Bay Area-based lawyer with over 3 decades experience. That's 510-244-3307, DEMLegalEagle.com.
Hi, Doug Andrew here. 4 questions. Did you or someone you know lose money in the market in 2008? Do you think a crash like that will happen again? Do you want to have what happened to your money last time happen again? What are you doing differently to prevent that? If your retirement savings are invested in the market, reposition that money and protect it from losses sooner than later. Learn how to make money safely with little to no downside risk. Join us for one of 4 Retire by Design workshops. We're coming to teach free workshops in Morgan Hill, Palo Alto, Walnut Creek, and Dublin, Wednesday and Thursday, January 18th and 19th. Call now to register and get details. 1-888-73-RADIO. That's 1-888-73-RADIO, which is 1-888-737-2346. 1-888-737-2346.
Golden rule number 2. We think libs have bad ideas. Libs think we're bad people. The Dan Bongino Show.
So, you know, at the Patriot Awards, randos, people you don't know just show up and sit in a chair. So I'm going to talk to these 2 in a minute. And again, I'm going to keep it a little surprise. I'm going to let them talk and you tell me who they are. Hey, when you receive your Helix mattress, you'll be obsessed with it. It's so quick and fun to unbox. You'll absolutely love it. You won't believe how well you'll sleep, waking up feeling rested and refreshed. Helix Sleep is a quick quiz. It matches your body type and sleep preferences to the perfect mattress for you, not for someone else. Everybody's unique, and Helix knows that, so they have several different mattress models to choose from, and the mattress comes right to your door, shipped for free. You don't ever have to go to a mattress store again. Go to helixsleep.com/Dan, HELIX. They have a 10-year warranty. You get to try it out for 100 nights risk-free. Can't beat that. leave it pick it up for you if you don't love it. But you will. Helix even has financing options and flexible payment plans, so a great night's sleep is never far away. For a limited time, Helix is offering up to $350 off all mattress orders and 2 free pillows for listeners to this program. It's their best offer yet. Hurry over to helixsleep.com/Dan.
Dan Bongino.
So I found these two randos walk by. I love these two. They are a very handsome couple. One of them was allegedly a congressman, and the other one I used to watch on TV, and I loved growing up. Rachel Campos Duffy and Sean Duffy, welcome to the show. We love you guys. You got such a round of applause coming over. Yeah, nobody wants to talk to me anymore. They want to talk to you two. So apparently, I dissed you guys hard with your awesome podcast from the kitchen table. Did this happen?
We walked by your radio show, like, hey, want to join me? We come in, join Dan Bongino. However, we asked you to do our podcast at 3:15 today. Like, yeah, that's right, man. I can't do it.
I said, pound sand. I think now, right? I'm not doing your podcast.
No, that's not what he said. He said, ask Paula.
He said, yes. Now, listen, now you guys can vouch for me on this. This is not like some cheap promo I do. You guys are some of my best friends. But did I not tell you, Rachel, that you and Sean, the From the Kitchen Table podcast is special? Did I not say that to you a long time ago? Before we were doing it, really, you were like, hey, this can be good. I watched you guys on, I think it was like a Twitter video or something, just like hamming it up together. Paula, did I not say like these two are so watchable? I must have watched that thing like 10, 20 times. So I promise you, we are doing this podcast 100%. You need to go download it. It's called From the Kitchen Table. It's so good. And I said Pete on, and I said I'm a little offended. The only team I lose to on Saturday in the ratings is you guys. So I want you fired immediately. Can we work that out, Sean? No more home time ratings? We want to leave. I know I'm not doing the show anymore. Sabrina, I'm not doing it. We hear that? Paula, no more Fox and Friends on the weekend. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to do it on Sunday. After my show. What do you think? It's like you put a quarter in your Dan Bongino, like, and this is Dan Bongino, like, 5 minutes, it's like, whoa. I know, Pete just paid me back. Yeah. Pete was here before. You know, I love hijacking your weekend show and just answering whatever I want. Rachel's like, so what do you think about Nancy Pelosi stepping down from Democrat leadership? Let me talk to you about defund the police in New York. And I'm like, dude. And then they're in my ear like, break. I'm like, I hear you. I'm just not breaking because I know you can't cut the commercial, so I'm going to keep going. But Sean, you were in Congress. Nancy Pelosi stepping aside. This is pretty good news.
It's great news, but we anticipated this. When she served as the Speaker, then the Minority Leader, now the Speaker again. She's not going back to the Minority Leader. We knew she was going to leave. But this is the first time in over 20 years that Democrats will have an open race for the leader of their party. She's been there for that long. And the thing is, over that 20 years, Dan, you've seen she was a radical liberal. She was one of the most radical ones from San Francisco in the House. And now because you have the Democrat Socialists, she's kind of like a moderate in the Democrat Party. And her policies haven't changed.
He just said the same thing. We're talking to Rachel Campos Duffy and Sean Duffy. Rachel, I got about a minute and a half left, but your thoughts on the midterms? My take, not a great night, but it was not the apocalypse everybody thought. It's really hard to take the House back, and we finally did it last night.
Yeah, I was actually listening to your podcast, trying to, feel a little bit better about things. Look, my takeaway is that indoctrination works. We're losing young people, and we're losing it through the indoctrination at the school, but also what's happening on social media. Big tech is definitely a massive influence in their lives, and I think we have to think about what we're doing with big tech in Congress. I think that has to be number one. We can't have this thing where it's unbalanced, where, these big tech gods turn down our voices and turn up theirs. It's wrong, and it's impacting elections. And I also